Hey, a common problem with WordPress is when you have too many images in your media library. Maybe you've got like 1,000 products and every single one of them has got loads of images associated. Well, when you delete the product, the image remains in your media library. So what if you want to get rid of all of the images as well at the same time? You can with a code snippet. 3 big reasons why you should use code snippet. It's free, saves you having to use child theme, it protects you and allows you to roll back if there's ever any issues. Getting the plugin is super easy. Go over to WordPress, add new plugin, type in code snippets, and you can't miss it. Go and install and activate it. Back into WordPress, go over to Snippets, hit add new and give it a title. Then go to Code Snippets Cloud and the link is in the video description. We're just going to copy that and paste it in over here. And then just make sure you save changes and activate. And that's how simple it was. What we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this product here. And just to prove it, if I go to the library, you'll see that the image is there. Right, back to the product, we're going to delete that. Now, when you do trash it, you do have to go into your trash folder because until you get rid of it from there as well, technically it still exists inside of your WordPress database. So now that is completely gone. And if I go over to my media library, the image is completely gone. So if you're finding that your WordPress database is filling up with too many images because you sell a lot of products, there's a lot of changes, this is a quick and easy way to get rid of them at the same time. I'm Imran Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. I'll see you soon.